Hi everyone, in this video of the Woodsman workshop we're going to be building a self-supported pot hanger made out of a withe and some hazel rods. So stick around and let's see how we get on. Okay, so what we're looking for is some hazel. Now we are in a hazel coppice woodland, and I did find the tree but it's disappeared. Down there. So this wood, if you've been to the website, was used in the production of iron. So we've got bay at the top, which is a big pond that used to drive the forge hammers. Hold on, let me put it down. So here we've got an old bay at the top which used to drive the forge hammers, and then all this hazel and all the trees in here were used to fire the furnaces. So they used to make charcoal out of here, take it up there, make cannonballs. So what I'm after is to make a withe. So I'm using these top bits. A lot of people just snap them off, cut them off, but you can use them as a handle. And you want to hear that pop. And you get an even twist. So all you're doing is you're popping the fibres all the way down. Of course this is on green wood. A bit dry down this end. But what I'm after is this fork here. So I'm going to take this off here and I'm just going to tidy this end off. Let's see if you can see that. So we use the trusty Laplander. So you can see this is now turned into a pliable withe that we can use to tie up our tripod. So we've loosened all those fibres, and we can loosen it a bit more if you wanted. So now we just need to find the 3 uprights for our tripod. Right, so I've come onto this ride now. It's really important that when we're harvesting our timber that we do it sustainably. We want to collect it from the edges of a ride or the edges of a woodland. That way there's enough light to get the tree growing in the spring, so in a couple of years it'll be back to harvest again. Now what we're going to do is we're going to go up and down this ride looking for a wire branch, the elusive wire branch on a hazel. We can do it with straight branches, but with straight branches it's the withe or the paracord or the lashing that you're using is putting a lot of strain on that. Whereas if we find a wire branch, it's self-supporting, so it takes some of that strain off of that withe, especially if we're going to use it like we are to hang our pot from. So let's go and have a look. Right, I've trimmed that up. I'm going to find 2 more. I'll see you in a bit. So as you can see, our tripod is self-supporting because we've used these wire branches. So now we're going to use our withe. I've tidied up the end so it's easier to hang our pot, take it off the fire if needed. And then we're going to use a clove hitch to tighten it all together. So there you have it, really simple pot hanger. We've got all the tensile strength of that hazel branch that we made the withe out of. It can take a lot of weight. We can adjust it by moving the legs in and out. It's just a really simple, really nice bit of kit to have in your arsenal if you're ever caught out in the woods. But thanks for watching. I'll be making 4 more pot hangers in this little series. So don't forget to subscribe, click the bell, tell all your friends, head over to the website, book on a class, and you could be making one yourself. See you next time.